everybody, I'm Will Koberg with the Jan Ritchie team of Keller Williams Realty, and I'm excited to announce our listing at 3409 Continental Drive in the beautiful Frisco gated community of Heritage Lakes. And you are not going to find an outdoor living space like this anywhere else in this neighborhood. This home has it all. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 3,500 square feet. Plus, it's a corner lot. You got plenty of space for a trampoline and a pool. Wow. Walk into this home and you immediately notice this beautiful 2-story entry with new fixtures and all of the natural light. Plus, you have a large sitting area to the left, dining room to the right, and you walk into this open layout where the kitchen meets this beautiful 2-story living area. Plus, you have this gas-burning fireplace with lovely mantle and craftsmanship and beautiful views of your outdoor area. This home is perfect for your family. And the heart of every home is the kitchen. And this kitchen is open and inviting for all of your family. You've got plenty of counter space, beautiful granite countertops, this large island, stainless steel appliances, including a new gas range and microwave. And look at this, you've got plenty of space to actually use your double ovens. And moms, from the sink, you can see views of your backyard, so you can make sure the kids aren't getting in too much trouble. Whoa! Walk outside and enjoy this gorgeous fireplace with a mounted TV. You've got stone all the way from the travertine floor to the ceiling. Plus, you have all this space for a large dining room table and do a little grilling while you enjoy the kids playing in your large backyard. I'm curious to see what's on tap. Just kidding. Good luck finding a lot like this for the price anywhere in Frisco. Whoa! If you want more information on this home and all of our open houses, you can check them out at janritchie.com or call me directly. I'm Will Koberg, and we'll see you on the next home tour. #Will Sells It.